Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Pokemon Infinite Fusion on iPhone and Android. So it's pretty easy. Just go to settings and turn on background app refresh. So now what we're gonna do is go to matrixmods.com and look for the Pokemon Infinite Fusion. So here it is, guys. I know it shows Pokemon Go, but it's actually Pokemon Infinite Fusion. So go ahead and press download, and the last step is going to be the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here. So it's basically going to say missing files, and you just want to download some of these apps. You don't have to do all of them, but like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Scanner app, all these different apps. So make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video here. So that's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Pokemon Infinite Fusion. Also, make sure you go to the battery and turn off low power mode, because this will screw up your phone. So you don't want low power mode on while you're trying to get Pokemon Infinite Fusion, okay? So when you do those things, you should be good to go. So there you go, guys, matrixmods.com, that's the website. And if you see different apps, that's just because you're in a different country, so don't get worried. It's totally normal. So yeah, super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting Pokemon Infinite Fusion, and maybe I'll do a gameplay video for you guys as well if you want. So that's super cool, guys. It actually works. So yeah, super insane. Definitely updated, and yeah, it's for all devices, honestly. So should have no problem. Just make sure you do the verification correctly, and you should be good to go. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, definitely try it out. And yeah, it fully works, guys. So hope you enjoyed it. And that's how to get Pokemon Infinite Fusion on iPhone and Android. No jailbreak needed. So it's super cool. Fully works, guys.